Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a legal method to create a free account on Acorn TV. Acorn TV is a popular streaming service that specializes in British and international television series. Follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy your favorite shows without any cost. Step 1. Visit the Acorn TV website. Begin by navigating to the official Acorn TV website. Open your web browser and type in the URL www.acorntv. Once the page loads, you should see options for starting a free trial on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Start Free Trial. Locate the button that says Start Free Trial or Subscribe Now. Click on this option to proceed to the next step in creating your account. Step 3. Provide your email address. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure that you use a valid email address that you have access to, as you will need to verify this email later. After entering your email, click Continue or Next. Step 4. Set up your password. Next, create a strong password for your new account. It is recommended to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Once you've typed in your desired password, confirm it by entering it again in the provided field. Step 5. Fill in your personal information. You may be required to enter some personal information, such as your name and billing address. This information is necessary for account verification and to ensure a smooth subscription process once the trial period ends. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 6. Choose your subscription plan. Although you are starting with a free trial, you may need to select a subscription plan. Typically, Acorn TV offers various plans, including monthly and yearly options. Make sure to select the free trial option if available. Step 7. Enter payment information. To activate your free trial, you will likely need to enter your payment information. This is standard practice as it allows the service to automatically charge you if you do not cancel before the trial ends. However, ensure you know when your trial period ends so that you can cancel if you decide not to continue. Step 8. Verify your email. After submitting your payment information, check your email inbox for a verification email from Acorn TV. Click the verification link in that email to activate your account. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 9. Log into your account. Now that your account is verified, go back to the Acorn TV website, click Login and enter your credentials, email and password to access your new account. Step 10. Start watching. Congratulations! You can now browse through Acorn TV's extensive library of shows and start watching your favorite series. Enjoy your free trial period and remember to keep an eye on its expiration date. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Happy streaming!